Microsoft Excel is something a lot of people find a little scary, and I must admit that I do too. But it's really generally used to manipulate data. It takes data and does what you ask it to do with it. Uh, Microsoft Excel uses rows and columns to present your data. Users can do basic mathematical calculations. They can forecast future performance and sort and manipulate your data. This is what a blank spreadsheet will look like. And I know it looks very blank and big, but it's not so hard to deal with once you learn a little bit about it. So when you've clicked blank workbook, it closes the welcome page you see and then gives you a blank worksheet, which is what this is. It's where you're going to be performing all your work. You enter data here, you write formulas, and you review your results from this sheet. So the first step that you need to do is add your headings. You add headings in the row of cells up at the top. A, B, C, D, E, and the first row which starts with 1. All you have to do is pick a cell and start typing. When you finish, if you hit Tab to complete your entry, you will move to the next cell to the right. If you click Enter, you will move down 1 cell. So just remember that. Depending on what you need to do, you use Tab or Enter. So entering data, like I said, is very, very easy. You just choose your cell and start typing. But what you'll also notice is up in the formula bar, you'll see the same thing. The cell that's highlighted here says 3000. If you look up in the formula bar, that says 3000 as well. And it's easy. You can edit from the formula bar if you'd like. I got this wonderful, good explanation on formulas from excelhelp.com, and it explains things much better than I can. You may also find you need to add or delete rows and columns. And that's something that's not hard to do. If you want to add a row or a column, you select the row above or the column to the right of where the insertion point is. You choose Insert, which is a green tab on the upper right, and you click the arrow to open the drop-down menu. That gives you the options that you can perform when inserting rows or columns. Deleting a row or column works a similar fashion. You select the row or column, or rows and columns, you want to delete. Then choose Delete, which is right next to Insert, and hit the drop-down menu, and those will give you the options that you have to delete.